বুঝলে, এখন নতুন গাড়ি কেনা মানেই একটা হেডেকের ব্যাপার। প্রত্যেক গাড়ির ব্র্যান্ডের নিজস্ব নিজস্ব সমস্যা।
কারুর বডি উইক, কারুর হচ্ছে সেফটি রেটিং লো, তারপর কারুর হচ্ছে পার্টস পাওয়া যায় না, কারুর আফটার সেল সার্ভিস বাজে।
Well, have you heard about Car Genie Kolkata?
Car Genie?
Welcome to Car Genie.
Welcome to Car Genie, your one-spot destination for your top-notch car repair and maintenance. Our certified engineers from authorized brands make sure that you get the best technical support so that you are safe on the road. Our high-end heat chamber paint booth guarantees the best color to your car so that your car looks brand new on the road. Our advanced dent puller fixes the car dent without damaging the car's color, and it's gonna save your money and the time as well. At Car Genie, our engineers are going to provide you the best and honest suggestions, which is going to be tailored to your pocket and is going to ensure your value for your money. Experience a better service than our authorized service center in a fraction of a cost. With our cashless insurance claim, we have got you covered. Car Genie Kolkata, your car's best friend. Visit us today and drive with confidence.
चलो ये भी सही है।
Yeah.
Car Genie Kolkata, your car's best friend. Visit us today and drive with more confidence.